Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Google Tag Manager. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be taking you through the module configuration settings, and we'll be showing you how to configure the module in the first place. And after that, we'll be taking you through the Google Tag Manager as well. So actually, what this extension allows us to do is that it allows us to configure the Google Tag Manager within your OpenCart web store, and after the installation, the code snippet of GTM is added to your web store. And now, using your account at GTM or the Google Tag Manager, you will be able to track and check the analytics on Google for your OpenCart web store. So let's get ahead and let's see how this extension works. But before that, let me take you through the configuration settings of this extension. And for that, I'll be taking you to the OpenCart web store backend first. So here I am in the admin backend, and I need to navigate through extensions, then extension, then I'll be choosing the extension type as modules, and here we'll find the Webcool Google Tag Manager, and we need to click on the edit button. And this brings up the Webcool Google Tag Manager backend configuration. Also, I've already shown you how to generate the container ID in the previous video. So you need to enter that Google Tag Manager container ID within this space here. So the very first option that we have here is the status, and we need to set it as enabled, and we need to enter the Google Tag Manager ID here. And after that, we just need to click the save button. Now, after we've clicked the save button and we have enabled this extension, the GTM code would be added to the header of your website. So let me go ahead and let me save this configuration settings first. So we have already saved the configuration settings for this extension, and we have saved the container ID as well. Now let me go to the front end of this website once. So here I am on the front end of this website, where I've installed my Google Tag Manager extension. And after that, I'll just go and I'll make a right click and I'll select the inspect element option there. And after that, I'll be selecting Control F. I'll be searching for GTM. And here you can see that the GTM has been installed within this web store. So here you can see that the GTM is already installed right now, and here you can see the GTM IDs are also visible. So this was how to install the Google Tag Manager on your OpenCart web store. So I've installed the Google Tag Manager, and that was done by going to the admin backend settings and inserting or putting in the container ID and enabling the extension and clicking the save button thereafter. So we've already done this, and the main part of our extension is done. That is, the installation part has been done. Now, to configure all the events that need to be created, or any of the activity that needs to be tracked on this particular website, for that we need to log into our Google Tag Manager account, and from there only we'll be able to configure the various tags and events for our website here. And after that, we'll be able to check different events as well. So that was much about the Google Tag Manager, how to install the Google Tag Manager, and I'll be taking you further and I'll be showing you some more things here. Now here I've logged into the tagmanager.google.com using the same email ID, and that is the Gmail ID that we have. And now here what I've done is I've gone to the tag section. I've already created some universal analytic tags for this particular product page, and I've also set up some triggers as well for the DOM ready thing, for the page with the product page and the window loaded event types. And Now after I've configured all my tags and everything that you might be knowing, so after that what I need to do is I need to go back to my web store front end, and I can refresh the page, and you can see a preview option has come up here. So as to check here you can see the summary as well. Under the tags you can see the universal analytics tag has been fired once, and here you can see different events have also been listed. That is the window loaded event, the DOM ready, and the page web. Also we can click on the data layer to check the different events that have loaded here on this page. For example, if I go to a product page, I'm on the product page, and here you can see the preview is coming up. And if I click on the data layer, here we can see that the that this is displaying all the details regarding this particular product. That's the Nikon D300, and depends upon what different events and what different tags you have set up for your particular container ID, and according to that you'll be able to track the different details as well, and you can check out the current values of the data layer as well. Similarly, if we go for the checkout, maybe let's check that as well. So at that time as well, you can see the preview has come up for the Google Tag Manager, and let's go to the data layer, and here we can see that the option says shopping cart for the data layer here, and we have the details of both the products that are there within this cart right now, and the current values of the data layer are also visible here. So that was much about this extension, and I just showed you how this extension actually works and how you need to configure that up. Rest you can create your own tags. You can also make use of the custom tags, and you can also you can also add and update many types of tags like the Google AdWords, Google Optimize, custom HTML, custom tags, and many other third-party tags as well. So that was much about this extension, and if you have any other queries or questions regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webpull.com, or you may raise a ticket at webpull.ubdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.